Yes, guys, as you already aware of the solar panel, it is updated to you on the last video that it is our 10 kilowatt project of the solar panel, and the team is working on it. Still there is somewhat balance now. You can see how deep we are just moving towards fixing of the brackets of solar, and there is also angle is very important. Plate should be fixed on a proper angle, then it will detect sun rays, and it will produce energy better as compared to if we fix not properly plates. And now guys, 18 plates has been fixed, and now only 2 is vanished because it is 10 kilowatt project, and for 10 kilowatts we need 20 plates. These kind of 10 plates using for the filling of the deep area, which one we already dig, because in case of storm then there is only one option, then it will detect and it will protect our solar plates. You can see only 2 pen plates. Guys are waiting for the brackets. One guy is cutting the bracket, and then they will fix according to the measurement. You can see from the downside and lot of bird on the sky. It is evening time, 5 o'clock. This is our inverter, and tool bags of the teams and guys are working on fixing the solar inverter, and the db box, metering db box. We will fix it on the first floor. This is team is working for the removing old boxes, which is change over for the single phase. Now we need to fix 3-phase change over, and I will update to you that ATS panel will be fixed, and because we need 3-phase 2 meters on the both sides, so it will, if one side is off, then automatically through the ATS it will convert to the other side, and our light will be not off. You can see 20 plates has been fixed now.